marangga mabuka si Kiki.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed into Changi Airport. Welcome to Singapore. The local time now is 11 minutes to 12 in the afternoon. You may use your mobile phones and tablets. However, your seatbelt must remain fastened. Do pay attention to all announcements, even voice to device. Take care when opening your compartment and ensure you have taken all your belongings before leaving the aircraft. Passengers with connecting flights on Jetstar in Singapore and require assistance, please proceed to Transfer Desk Counter C, located in the Departure Transit Lounge of Terminal 1. If you are holding to your onward boarding pass, please check your boarding gate details on the flight information displays in the airport. Kindly report early to the boarding gate to prevent delays. On behalf of Captain ZQ, Senior First Officer Calvin, and the rest of the cabin crew, thank you for choosing to fly Jetstar. It has been a pleasure with us today, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you and goodbye.
Hmm.